Hello, Up4. Welcome back to a new series of the Radar where we monitor big tech, especially our friend Meta. It was a joke. Today, I'm back with a new video about a Meta outage. Again, Meta has a bad year. We saw another outage on June 12th, and we're going to report what caused this outage or the little things we know about it and what was impacted, and well, the impact on companies and influencers, especially because, well, let's be honest, if I'm just consuming Instagram for reels and Instagram is down for, let's say, 30 minutes, it's a break for me, and I can be lucky that I had a break on Instagram. And if I cannot contact my friends on WhatsApp for 10 minutes, it's okay. It's like being offline for 10 minutes. But if you're a company and you're selling stuff on Facebook or Instagram, or you make advertisement on, let's say, WhatsApp, which is crazy, you don't want an outage because you're paying for that. If you cannot reach your people down on the internet, because everyone is heavily depending on one of these three platforms, well, it sucks. And this is why we are going to investigate what is the reason for this outage. And a small spoiler, we don't know. Because Meta decided not to disclose, and I brought this article here from Mashable. There are a lot of newspapers out there who are currently reporting about this problem. It appeared on Friday, June 12th. So this article, well, catched it on point. And yeah, it was in the early morning hours. My user reported, by the way, 10,000 people reported it on down detector, sorry, that they had problems with Facebook, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram, and also the advertisement area. And you can see here Andy Stone, which is the vice president of communications at Meta. He said we were coming back, though it may take a bit of time. So it wasn't just a 5 minutes down outage. And also business services were included. So this is huge. If business services are included, like advertisement, the company had really big problems. We can see like a small history of this update, what happened. But the most important thing is, and this is something the article also states out, we don't know what happened. So we don't know if it was a DNS problem, which you can fix very smoothly, very easily, if it was a server capacity issue, or maybe another AI problem. We know in the last few weeks, Meta had a lot of AI problems with the new Meta AI support bot. Meta recently confirmed that they made a lot of issues or mistakes when it comes to the positions and the jobs at Meta. Cutting 20% was a big mistake, they said. And now we have an outage. So first, people lose their Instagram accounts. Then they want to appeal for this Instagram accounts, and now they have an outage, which is a bit of a joke. And the real impact is not just on the humans who are consuming the reels, because that's not less tough. We all know that. But being honest, if you're a company, and I said it at the beginning, if you're a company and you're selling all your products on Instagram or Facebook, or if your entire community is built on those platforms, which is legit because a lot of people are there, you cannot reach your customers. And this is something what I want to show you, which is an alternative, which we built at Linkspreed, where you watch this video probably. So this is the alternative that we want to link you to, which is a Web4 Studio. In a Web4 Studio, you can build your own social network. You can access it on this link, web4.community. Just type it in your browser. Then you can log in or register. And basically, you're building your own Facebook clone or your own Instagram, which has the big potential that you host it, you own it, you have all the data, you can push this data to AI, and you can analyze it. And you can simply describe what you want to build. What social network should be more like X, should be more like Facebook. And you can be completely independent. You get free updates whenever there are new features for the social networks. Soon you'll be able to bring your own um, OpenClaw or CloudBot on the social networks. The servers are stored in your region. You can make your own rules. But the best thing is, even if Meta goes down, your own social network exists. So, like here, you have an outage. No worries. Your customers are probably having an Instagram account, but you can bring customers on your own social network and you can decide, hey guys, discuss your favorite products, discuss your ideas about my products on my channel. I can analyze it, I can make better products, and I don't have to pay for ads, and I can push the money into research and development. You can see some examples. You can even build a dating social network. You can build a video website. You can build a photo sharing network, which is more like Instagram. And yeah, you can see some examples how it looks like. And this is the cool section. While you have your community on Facebook, you don't have just outages to worry, but also the funding, right? Having a community on Facebook costs you money. Or if you have your followers just on Instagram, costs you money. You need an agency as a business to operate, to manage your content. You have the content production, then you have limited reach, so you need to pay to make ads. And if you build your own social network, you don't have to pay much, but you can get money back. You can ask for commission on marketplace, you can have fundings, you can make advertisement, you can introduce subscriptions, pro packages, wallets, etc., etc. Just a few that are here on the landing page. You can scroll down to inform yourself about the benefits of creating your own social network. Of course, it's available as an app, so you can build your app from the social network itself. And here it is what it costs. Like, imagine you want to purchase 10,000 Instagram followers because you want to grow, or if you pay an agency to get 10,000 Instagram followers, well, it's a lot of money. Here, you just pay for 10,000 this per month, and again, you can simply make a return of invest because you can push advertisement, you can introduce pro packages. Just imagine you make a pro package for $5 per person. You make your community pay you to build your social network and get independent from Facebook. So I think this is a very cool alternative compared to the big techs like Facebook that are experiencing outages. And I definitely don't want to be one of the companies who go bankrupt because they cannot sell the products for 2 days when Instagram is down for 2 days. And a couple of years ago, we saw that, I guess it was Facebook and Instagram were down for 6 to 8 hours, which is very long. I think this outage wasn't that long. But here you can see in the updates. So it took some time. And it's a big shame if the vice president of communication has to write it on X, if they are basically the giants in the social network area. So my recommendation on this outage is just to build your own social network as usual. Press on the link in the description where for the community. You can see it under this video as well in the text box. And it's super easy, super fast, and super cheap, and also for free because you can start with free credits. So definitely check it out, and thank you for watching this video.